Hello, good morning guys. Today I'm doing a 2018 X3 with a new chassis. And yeah, gonna do a brake flush, brake surface. So what you do, I bought this multi-brake bleeder. Don't come with a red cap with a rear pin adapter. I put in some brake fluid, I pressurized the system, which you can see. I try to go between 1.5 and 1. Right, so then just put it in. So basically you pressure the whole brake system, hydraulic system right here. And then how you do a brake flush is you open the bleeder screw. From underneath the vehicle, you open the bleeder screw. And then you use a 11mm wrench. You open up the bleeder and you use a hose to collect the brake fluid. So this brake fluid is like kind of greenish, so they haven't been flushing it. So after that, I'll say that's a good amount. And then you want to close it, so just tighten it slightly. I said 2 times because it's important. Slightly. Don't break it, just slightly tighten it. And when you pull it, double check if there's any brake fluid still coming out after you pull it. If not, just feel it with your finger. If there's no brake fluid dripping out, then you're good. Don't break it. The 3rd time, because it's important. Tighten it slightly. Make sure you put the brake wear sensor back. This one, here. And then you put the protectant cap back. That's it. That's it. Don't break it. The 3rd time, I'm sorry, but I have to mention it. Don't break it. And then you move on to the next caliper. So this is a new caliper. Let me see if I can show you with one hand. So basically, on the caliper, there's a bleeder screw. Most of the caliper has a protection boot. So just use your finger and hook it like this, okay? For video purposes, I'm taking this off so you can see better. It's 11mm. So how I try not to make a mess, I use this. Put the wrench on first. And then I put this on. Like this. There we go. Okay, so once this is on, make sure, don't go on the wrong way for the wrench, or else you're gonna break the bleeder screw in the caliper. You're gonna have a great day. Okay, so then all you wanna do, you wanna make sure you're going the right way, and then you crack the bleeder screw like this, and the brake fluid should be pressured out by the pressure bottle on top right here. You can see the brake fluid coming out. So what I like to do, I like to use maybe like here, just a little bit. So I use a new brake fluid to flush out the brake fluid, the old brake fluid. And then one more important thing, when you're on top, always monitor the pressure. I like to keep it between 1 and 1.5. Like this. There we go, 1.5. So then you stay in that range. So then I know that air is not going into my brake system. Okay, so after some moment, the brake fluid has bleed out quite a bit, so I'm decided to close it. So when I close it, make sure you go in the right direction. And then for the 4th time, I'm sorry, for the 4th time, snug, don't break it. Like I'm just using just one finger, like push it a little bit. That's it. Don't break it. I think that it's like 8 Nm or 10 Nm or something. Right after you tighten it, same thing, you pull it, let the holes in the brake fluid drain out, like this. That's it. So I'm not gonna close it because I'm gonna grab some brake clean and clean it up, but it's really optional, up to you. Guys, so on the X3, the base model with the rear caliper, is the bleeder screw is over here. It's right there. I don't know if you can see. Let me get a good angle right here. Right here. Okay. So same thing, 11 mil, put it on the bleeder screw and then bleed it. Let me see if I can get a good angle. The position's kind of bad. And then right now I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the service reminder. So first of all, you open it, close the door, and then you press the thing 3 times without your foot off the brake. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well, maybe faster. So then you'll see that no signal active. So what you want to do, you use this little button. You're gonna go to total and trip. You can scroll through it with the BC button. See, but you want to go to this one, and you hold this down. When you see this let go, scroll through the thing you want to reset. I want to reset this one, so I hold it down again. And I hold it down again. Okay, that's it. That's how you reset the service reminder.